My name is Luis DiCarpio. I'm the Vice President of Facilities and Sustainability for the YMCA of San Diego County. We have over 1 million square feet of real estate assets, which currently consist of 17 branches, 32 bodies of water, which includes pools and spas at 14 locations, and 3 overnight camps. The mission of the YMCA here in San Diego County is to double its impact by 2025, which for us would include building 3 to 5 new Ys and also taking a look at our existing facilities. Biggest challenge for us, because we are talking the whole county, is building the next batch of 3 to 5 sustainably as well. Energy savings that are generated by these solar projects for the branch, they're able to then pass that on to their communities through the programming that's available in that area. Having a power purchase agreement allowed the YMCA to move forward into the design and construction of these facilities.
My name is Ross Williams. I'm the owner of Home Energy Systems. A PPA, or a power purchase agreement, allows them to fix their energy costs for 20 years with no upfront payments. So we've been working with the YMCA on these projects for going on 2 years now. We've installed mechanically fastened rooftop systems, fully ballasted rooftop systems, garage rooftop carport systems, and flat parking lot carport systems. Carports are great because they serve a dual purpose. They contribute to the sustainability and savings goals the Y has set out to achieve, while at the same time providing a cool parking spot for their members. Every facility that the YMCA owns is completely different. We had to go in and custom design each system for each facility. We chose SunPower Helix system because of its flexibility in design. It is easy to design, it's easy to permit, and it's easy to install. It is a seamless integration from sales through design and into the field.
The YMCA has a mission to improve the health and well-being of everyone it serves. It's very important for us to be able to address the needs of the community through our sustainability, but also be good stewards of the environment.